Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to all my amazing viewers. Welcome to Let's Roam, your favorite vlogging channel on YouTube. Today, I'm taking you on a journey. Not just any journey, but one filled with fresh mountain air, sizzling street food, winding roads, cozy cafes, and that nostalgic, peaceful magic that only Mall Road Murray can offer. If you've ever been to Mall Road, you already know. It's more than a place, it's an emotion. And if you haven't, well, you're about to fall in love. But before we get deep into the heart of Murray's most iconic stretch, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below with your favorite memory of Mall Road, because today we are not just walking the street. We are reliving memories, tasting flavors, and capturing every vibe this place has to offer. Let's go explore every corner, every chai stall, and every story hidden in the hills. Arriving at Mall Road, there's something special about arriving in Murray. Whether you come by car, coaster, or even on foot, the moment you roll down your window and breathe in that cool, pine-scented air, you feel it. That sigh of relief. That I'm finally here feeling. We are starting off at the top entrance near the General Post Office, one of the most recognizable colonial-era buildings here. The red brick charm and the buzz of people. It hits you immediately. You hear kids laughing, vendors shouting gently to sell their peanuts, the clatter of footsteps on old cobblestone, and your eyes don't know where to look first. It's alive, it's nostalgic, and you know you're in for something special. The shops and street life Mall Road during the day. It's a full-on vibe. You've got shops lined up selling everything from traditional Kashmiri shawls to quirky keychains, and wooden carvings to handcrafted jewelry. You can get a beautiful pashmina or a funky Murray hoodie for your cousin back home. I walked into one little shop, tucked between a shoe store and a tea stall, and guess what? The uncle there had been running that place since 1985. Can you imagine how much he's seen this road change? He shared stories of snowfall days when everything would be white, but the street would still have laughter echoing through it. That's the thing about Murray, it changes with time, but never loses its soul. Food, the heart of Mall Road. Alright, you knew this was coming. Let's talk food. Because no trip to Mall Road is complete without eating your way through it. First stop? Bun kebabs sizzling on the side of the street. The kind where the patty's hot, the chutney hits just right, and you're standing there balancing it with a paper napkin and a cup of chai. That's the real gourmet life. Then there's the pakoda vendors, you know, the ones that serve them fresh out of the oil, crunchy and golden, with that green mint sauce that should honestly be bottled and sold globally. And of course, corn on the cob, roasted right in front of you with lemon and masala sprinkled like magic. The smell alone could convert anyone into a foodie. Oh, and the jalebi? Don't even get me started. Crispy outside, syrupy sweet inside. Straight up sugar poetry. The people of Mall Road. Now if Mall Road is the body of Murray, the people are its soul. From the shopkeepers to the tourists to the elderly folks sitting on benches soaking in the sun, every person here adds to the atmosphere. I met a man named Jamil, selling hand-woven baskets. He smiled and said, "Beta, हर season में लोग आते हैं. बर्फ हो या बरसात, Mall Road कभी खाली नहीं होती." And he's right. This place brings people together, from every walk of life, every background, every city. It's where newlyweds come for their first trip. Where friends escape for that quick mountain fix. Where elders come to remember old days and feel young again. Chai with a view. Around the halfway mark of Mall Road, there's a small tea spot with outdoor seating. Simple chairs. Plastic tables. But the view. Unreal. Rolling green hills. Layers of mountain peaks fading into the horizon. the mist rising and dancing in slow spirals. You take a sip of steaming chai and suddenly, the world slows down. We sat there for almost an hour, talking about nothing and everything. Watching people walk by. Listening to a kid play flute. These small moments. That's what Mall Road is all about. Evening lights and street performers as the sun begins to dip behind the hills. Mall Road transforms. The street lights flicker on. Neon shop signs glow in reds, blues, and greens. It's like a festival every evening. You hear music, someone strumming a guitar, a flute player on the stairs, a kid drumming on an empty paint can. The vibe becomes almost dreamlike. And the best part? Families, couples, and friends walking slowly, just enjoying being there. Not rushing. Not staring at phones. Just being. The hidden corners. Mall Road isn't just the main strip, it's also the tiny alleys and quiet corners just off the road. I explored a few of them, places where old colonial buildings still stand, with ivy creeping up their sides and forgotten signboards above wooden doors. There's a hidden bookshop run by an old man who collects rare Urdu novels. A staircase that leads to a rooftop chai place where you can see all of Murray glowing at night. These are the treasures that most tourists miss, but they're what makes Mall Road unforgettable. Snowfall stories and winter magic. Okay, let's talk about the one thing that turns Mall Road into a little fairy tale: snowfall. If you've ever been lucky enough to be here when it snows, you know the magic. Everything turns white. The trees, the rooftops, the streets, it's like someone took a paintbrush and covered the world in peace. Kids are making snowmen. Couples are taking selfies. People are slipping on the roads but still laughing. The shopkeepers wrap themselves in shawls, but the tea never stops flowing. I remember once, I was stuck here overnight during an unexpected storm. And you know what? It was the best night of my life. We shared a heater with strangers, ate soup from a roadside stall, and watched the snow fall in perfect silence. Night walk and final reflection. Walking back at night along Mall Road is an experience of its own. There's a calmness. The crowds thin out. The temperature drops. The shops start to close. But the heart of the street is still beating. You hear boots crunching on gravel. The occasional bark of a dog. A distant laugh. The moon rising above the hills. And that cool Murray breeze wrapping around you like a hug. It's the kind of place that leaves a mark, not because it's flashy or modern, but because it feels like home, even if you've never lived here. And just like that, our day on Mall Road Murray comes to an end. We laughed, we ate, we wandered, we connected. And more than anything, we slowed down and truly enjoyed quality time. So let me ask you, what's your favorite Mall Road memory? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to read your stories. And if this video made you smile, or even took you back to a place you love, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this with someone you'd love to bring to Mall Road someday. Thank you for spending your time with me here in Murray today. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and never stop exploring the little joys of life.